Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to join Bumble. Now let's begin. Now let's switch over to our mobile device and open the Bumble app. As you can see, the Bumble app is installed right here. If you have not installed it, do install it right now. Now you can sign up for Bumble using two methods. That is using your Facebook account or your cell phone number. For now, I'm gonna use my cell phone number. And after everything is okay, after you have entered your cell phone number, simply click on the arrow pointing towards the right. You will find at the bottom right corner, simply click on it, and it will ask us to verify our number. You can cancel it or simply click on OK. Now it will send an OTP to the registered number. Simply enter the code, and again, click on this black circular box with the right arrow. Now it will ask us to set our location services. You can set location services right now or not now. The choice is up to you. I'm going to try to set location services. I'm going to allow Bumble to access my device's location. And now I want to enter my name. It's okay. So again, black circular box, simply click on it. It will ask us to add our first two photos. Simply click on this plus icon to add your photo. You can upload photos from Facebook, Instagram, or simply upload photos or take photos right now. For now, I'm going to try to upload photos. For now, I'm going to select your photos and save. For another photo, do the same process. You can add other photos as well, but for now, I'm okay with it. So again, let's click on next. So again, let's go to the next section. It wants to ask for our date of birth. Again, click on next. Now it will ask us for our confirmation, whether we're actually this age or not, and we can't change this later. If everything's okay, simply click on confirm. And now it wants to identify your gender. Let's go to the next section. Now we are given a choice whether we can show our gender on our profile or not. You can simply toggle this button off to hide it from your profile. Now let's go to the next section. Now it will ask us to choose a mode to get started. You can either select date or BFF. It's up to you. Let's go to the next section again. Well, there you have it guys. This is how you join Bumble. For any queries, comment below. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.